Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. I am Chuma. Today, first of all, I want to say you about myself. So, I am a graphic designer uh, and also I am a Amazon KDP publisher and YouTube content creator. I also design KDP book cover, KDP coloring book interior pages, KDP low content interior, logbook, journal, planner, notebook, mandala coloring book, versus puzzle book, Sudoku puzzle book for kids and adult. So I am also working like vector tracing, barcode make, QR code make, flyer, brochure, and postcard, invitation card, etc. So if you need any type of design, please contact with me via social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, which link is mentioned in my YouTube channel. So today, if you are looking for a new coloring book niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. Finding good profitable books on KDP can be really hard, but in this video I want to show you a coloring book niche that I have found that is highly profitable and low competition keyword. So let's go Amazon Marketplace and search our search our first niche. Today's our first niche is Creative Heaven coloring book. Here results only shows 1000 results for Creative Heaven coloring book. So this is a small niche. This is a small niche. So we can work this type of niche. So when you find a good niche, then first of all you have to check out trademark and copyright. If you have no found any trademark or copyright in your choice niche, then you have to work this niche and upload the Amazon KDP and earning a lot of money per month. So here we see Creative Heaven around the world, color by number, Creative Heaven coloring books. So here this is the coloring book, and we have found, we check the interior pages. This book we are easily make the design. This book we are easily make the design. This is the interior pages. This is also make very easily. So we are easily make this interior. So if you need this type of book and this type of interior, this type of services, if you need book cover design, interior design services, please contact with me via social media like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Okay, so here we see 438 rating, 438 rating, and now we can check his earning per month. The BSR rank is 5553, 5553, 5553. This is also good BSR. Wow, per day sales 45 and per month 680. So this is very profitable niche and low competitive niche, very profitable and with a low competition. So we must be upload this type of book on Amazon KDP. Now our second niche is coloring book of shadows 2022. Here only shows 188 results only. So this is another great niche. Here we see 114 review. So this is very good. This is very good niche. Here the boy release only April 3, 2022. Wow. We calculate the BSR 6614. Wow. Wow. Per day sales 35 and per month sales 525. This is very profitable niche. So we check out the interior pages and book cover. Here this is this is the book cover which is easily make. This is the interior pages which is easily make. So we can easily make out these books very easily, very easily. So we have find out another good niche. Now our third niche is Kirby, ROSANES, Rosan's coloring book. Here the results only shows 927. 927. This is another very good niche. So Kirby Rosan's coloring challenge. Here the result shows 2017 review, 482 review. Wow, this is very profitable niche. So when we find out a good niche, like small niche, then first of all we find out the trademark check and copyright check. Then if you found no trademark, no copyright, then we have to work this type of book and upload the Amazon KDP, and per month earning a lot of money. So guys, if you find out a good niche from my video, please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. And if you want this type of video, please comment in my video and like. Then I publish more video, more niche, and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then. Thank you so much. Thank you.